Tips and tricks from Brady Theodore, the Gotti. Hey, today I want to show you how to remove logos from pictures on posts that you like. You want to repost these, but they have somebody else's logo in it. Let me show you something that I do that's very, 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 very simple that you have on your PC. Let me share my screen. Let me put my glasses on so I can show you on my screen. Let's see, share screen on recording, yes, and we're going to share the screen. And I'm going to go right here. Let's say I like motorcycles. I'm in the senior motorcycle group. I see this post and I like it. And then I look at it, and I'm looking at the picture. I'm saying, oh, plays with bikers. That's somebody else's little logo. I know this because I've seen this post before blank, but today it's a perfect example of what I want to show you how to do. Many people, I see this also. They'll see somebody's post and they'll comment underneath, hey, make that shareable. Guys, this is easy to do. If you want to share it yourself, I want you to find the post. I want you to left click the picture. There it is. I want you to right click on your mouse, save image as. This is going to my download folder. Now I've already got this one downloaded. Well, let's just do it here. I'm going to rename it bike ride. Bike, right, yeah. Okay. Let's name that bike ride so I know where it's at. Now you've downloaded that picture post to your download folder. Then I would go to my file folders right here. I will go to downloads and you'll see right here, bike ride. Here's where it gets for your tip and trick of how to remove that logo. I want you to right click your mouse while you're on the picture, go down here and open with paint. Okay, it opens up. If you go right here, you see my cursor moving around, this little eyedropper looking logo icon, left click on that. See what it says? Cool color picker. Bring your mouse down here. You can barely see that, but it's got a little arrow. I'm over the February word now. You see that? I want to put this in the color. There's the logo down there. Somebody had wrote that in there. So I take the cursor, I put it on the main color background, and I left click it. Oh, see, there, left click. Now you see right up here, I moved my mouse, my cursor up to this color. You see it spinning around. You see where right here, color 1, it's changed it to this color right here. Exactly. Now, what it's doing is this color is showing up when you go to the brush icon. Go up here, pick your brush. They're all different widths and sizes. I'm going to get the big one. See that big old loop right there? I can move it down. I can hold my left mouse button down and move this around, and it paints over that logo. Now it's disappeared. Then I go up here to the file, upper left corner. I do a save as a PNG. You can do JPEG also. I like PNGs because they work everywhere. Left click it and name this. You can just use bike ride A. So you have a different name. It's still going to the download folder. Save it. Close this. And when you come to your download folder, it's right here. Bike ride A. Double click, left click, and you can open it up. You can see now that logo is gone. Okay. Now to make sure, to ensure or make sure that this looks good on Facebook, you can go directly to Canva, which I've got other trainings on Canva. Open your Canva up. And you can type right here, Facebook. Start typing it in Facebook post right here. and go right here to the create blank Facebook post. Click on it. It opens up a blank template. On the left-hand side where your tools are at, go to Uploads, Upload Media, Bike Ride A, it's the one without a logo. Upload it, it's here. Mouse click, it goes onto your template, and because it has a white background, it doesn't matter, just stretch it out so it fills in the space, and there it is. Then you can say publish directly to Facebook or download it. What I want to do though is I want to take a text button, maybe just the add subheading. I'll type in www.babyBoomerMotorcyclist.com. I can shrink that lettering down a little bit. I can move this down here because that's where I want people to go to. So when they see this, they'll go to babyboomermotorcyclist.com. If you want to find out what that is, go ahead and go there. But anyway, now I've got my logo down here. You can put it whatever you want on this picture at this time, but then I'll download it. And when you download it, you see here, boop, downloaded, and it will probably pop up right here. I just turn it off because I know where it's at. I go back, I close these up, I close that, I close that, I'll minimize this. I'll go back to my file folder, which I had accidentally closed. I go to downloads, and there it is, babyboomermotorcyclist.com. So now I can share this post on Facebook, and the post size will be perfect for Facebook, and now it's got my name under it. And there you have it. Quick little simple trick tip to download pictures and erase old logos and put your logo in. I hope that helps you out a little bit, guys. Talk to you all soon. You can watch the rest of this video by clicking on the link in the description. You can also check out my entire content library or ask me anything by using Ask Brady the Gotti in the search.